Hi, I'm Alan Hovis. I'm a real estate broker, contractor, and property and casualty insurance agent here in Florida. We've put this channel together for you to answer your questions about buying and selling real estate here in Florida. If you've got additional questions you haven't found answers yet to, just put them in the comments below and we will get back to you. Or maybe we'll make a show about them. Thank you for watching. We have a question tonight about when specifically a 4-point inspection is required for a new purchase or a change of insurance carriers. Well, there are a few variables on this one, so let's go through them. A 4-point inspection is required when purchasing or changing carriers for a single-family home, a villa, or townhouse in Florida by the insurance carrier when the home has reached a certain age. The specific age will be dependent on the carrier's requirements. The age most often used for them is 30 years old, but certain carriers use 20 and others 40. To know precisely, you'll need to inquire with your insurance agent, and you'll want to do this before you do your inspections. Insurance companies typically request this inspection to assess the condition of the 4 main systems: the roof, the electrical, plumbing, and the HVAC. Now, condominiums can be a bit different. If the condo you are purchasing is a mid-rise or a high-rise, they are usually not required. However, if the condo is a villa style or a townhouse style, many carriers will still require them with the same age guidelines as single-family homes. Again, you'll want to get a definitive answer from your insurance agent before you do your full inspections. So one issue that comes up often on villas and townhouses is, are they legally condominiums? This will also determine what type of policy you'll need for the home. The easiest way to determine this is by looking at the legal description for the property. And this can easily be found on the county appraiser's website. If the home is a condominium legal structure, the legal description will start with the word unit. If not, it will usually start with the word lot or another description of the lot. This is because when you own a condominium, you only own the interior. The complex as a whole, or all the unit owners together, own the exterior structure and the grounds. If it is not a condo, you personally own the ground underneath and possibly the land in front and behind. Condo policies will be described as an HO6, while other homes will usually be insured with a policy described as an HO3, 5, or 8. A couple other notes on this. If you will not have a lender or you're paying cash for the property, you have the option to self-insure. If you choose to do this, there is no insurance policy and therefore you do not need a 4-point. You also do not need a 4-point for flood insurance. The main point here, as we've said in other videos, is to have a discussion with your insurance agent before you do your inspections. Florida is a different insurance market than any other state in the union, and it will be a great help to you to have a professional advise and educate you if you've never owned property here. If you have any further questions about this topic, please contact us. We're always glad to help, and we'll see you in the next video. Hopefully the content in today's video has helped you answer some questions. If so, please like and subscribe. It helps us keep the channel going and answering all of your questions. Now, I work in the Sarasota-Bradenton market, but we have referrals for agents all over the state of Florida. My contact information is below and in my website, alanhovis.com. And if you are a Florida real estate agent, please contact us if you'd like to be on our referral list. That's it for now. We'll see you in the next video.